Welcome to SAP Modified Tutorials. Today we'll be learning SAP Embedded AI. It is transforming how businesses work by bringing intelligence directly into SAP processes. Instead of using separate AI tools, SAP now embeds machine learning and automation inside S4HANA, SAP Analytics and other modules to predict, recommend and automate decisions in real time. In this video, I'll try to explain what SAP Embedded AI is and how it works and why it matters. So let's start. What is SAP Embedded AI? AI directly built into SAP applications like ERP, CRM, SCM. It's not a separate tool, it is seamless and contextual intelligence. So SAP's AI isn't an add-on, it's woven into your daily workflows for instant relevant insights. How industry is using it? Supply chain is using it for predictive logistics and demand sensing. Finance is using it for automated auditing, cash flow forecasting, and customer experience is using it for hyper personalized recommendations, sentiments analysis. Similarly, in the result, we have faster decisions, higher efficiency, continuous innovation, and this creates a truly intelligent enterprise that adapts, learns, and grows faster. Industries optimize everything from supply chains to customer journeys, automating tasks across the board. So let's start discussion through SAP embedded AI in supply chain, and we will discuss the real world applications. So in the very start we will define a mechanism about the intelligent core that will be built through SAP S4HANA in all these systems. So in the uses we have the predictive demand sensing, optimized logistics and routing, and intelligent inventory management. In predictive demand sensing, we analyze historical sales, market trends, external factors, forecast accuracy improvements, and it anticipates demand fluctuations to optimize production. In optimized logistics and routing, real time traffic, career performance, delivery windows, route adjustments, and career selections are made. Similarly, it reduces transportation cost and delays. SAP AI enables resilient, efficient, and autonomous supply chains. Moving forward, we have SAP Embedded AI in finance. It is used for intelligent automation and insights. It has three main uses: automated auditing and compliance, intelligent invoice matching, and predictive cash flows. In automated auditing and compliance, it reduces manual effort and ensures adherence. In intelligent invoice matching, it accelerates payables and minimizes errors. In predictive cash flow forecasting, it optimizes working capital and investment strategies. So SAP AI transforms finance into a strategic and data driven function. Machine learning for automatic matching of POs, good receipts, and invoices, exception handling are some of the key uses for this module. Similarly, AI driven risk detection, anomaly flagging, regulatory reporting, and continuous monitoring is being done through SAP embedded AI in finance. In the same way, historical data analysis, market trends, and future analytic is being done. Moving forward, we have SAP embedded AI in customer experience, which is being used for hyper personalization and engagement. We have three main uses: hyper personalized recommendations, sentiment analysis and feedback, intelligent chatbots and services. In hyper personalized recommendations, we have AI driven product suggestions, content tailoring, next best action, and real time relevance. Similarly, in sentiment analysis and feedback, it enhances brand reputation and customer satisfaction, and intelligent chatbots and services are being used to reduce response times and operational costs. Similarly, 24 by 7 automated support, instant query resolution, seamless human handover, and efficient service is also the outcome of this SAP embedded AI in customer experience. So, in short, SAP AI creates frictionless, personalized, and memorable customer journeys, and it is helping a lot through natural language processing to understand customer needs. Moving forward, we have SAP embedded AI in manufacturing, which is being used widely for smart production and quality. It has three main uses: predictive maintenance, AI driven quality control, and dynamic production scheduling. IoT data analysis, failure prediction, proactive scheduling, and reduced downtime times help through predictive maintenance, and it anticipates equipment failures to optimize maintenance. AI driven quality control ensures consistent product standards automatically. Similarly, the dynamic production scheduling helps in adapting schedules instantly to changing situations. Automated visual inspections, defect detection, real time alerts, and higher product quality is the outcome of SAP embedded AI in manufacturing. So, SAP AI creates self optimizing, resilient, and efficient manufacturing operations. So, this is helping a lot in making industry move to 4.0 industrial revolution, and it is helping in all facets of manufacturing through smart production and quality controls. Next, we have SAP embedded AI in procurement, which is helping in strategic sourcing and risk management. We have three main uses: supplier risk intelligence, intelligent sourcing, and automated contract management. In supplier risk intelligence, we have real-time news, market data monitoring, risk scoring, and proactive mitigation, which identifies and manages potential supply disruptions. In intelligent sourcing, we have AI powered supply recommendations, negotiation insights, better details and savings, and it optimizes supplier selection for best value. Similarly, in automatic contract management, it clause extraction, compliance tracking, renewal alerts, and reduced legal risks. So it streamlines contract lifecycle and ensures compliance. So SAP AI transforms procurement into a proactive and value generating function, which is the main need of the hour in this globalization and in the world where procurement is the key of every supply chain department. Moving forward, we have SAP Embedded AI in quality, which is helping in proactive defect prevention. Three main uses are automated visual inspection, which is through high-speed image analysis, micro defect detection, consistent quality standards, and it ensures 100% inspection with high accuracy. Then we have predictive quality analytics, correlation of process parameters to defects, and it anticipates issues before they occur. So it can proactively identify potential quality issues. Next, we have root cause analysis, in which AI guided investigation, faster issue resolution, knowledge based integration, and continuous improvement methodologies are being implemented. It accelerates problem solving and prevents reoccurring. So SAP AI enables a zero defect culture through predictive and automated quality control in complete lines of manufacturing systems, which ultimately help in brand imaging and the manufacturing cost of any company. Next, we have SAP Embedded AI in marketing, which is being done through intelligent campaigns and personalizations. The intelligent core in this case is SAP Marketing Cloud. We have AI powered audience segmentation, campaign optimization and attribution, and personalized content generation. Behavioral clustering, look-alike modeling, dynamic segments, and precise targeting are being done to reach the right audience with high precision. Similarly, real-time performance tracking, budget allocation, channel effectiveness, and higher ROI is being done to maximize marketing spend and effectiveness. In the same way, dynamic content creation, subject line optimization, next best offer, enhanced engagement is being done to deliver highly relevant experience at scale. So SAP AI delivers the right message to the right person at the right time at scale, and this is the best utilization of SAP embedded AI in the field of marketing. So next, last but not the least, we will be moving to SAP embedded AI in sales, where we have smarter selling and accurate forecasting. In this, the intelligent core is SAP Sales Cloud. In the main benefits, we have intelligent lead scoring. It focuses sale efforts on the most promising leads. Then opportunity insights and guidance that provides real-time guidance to move deals forward. Then AI-driven sales forecasting, which delivers reliable and data-driven sales forecast. So SAP AI empowers sales teams to sell smarter, faster, and with greater confidence. So in this way, we have discussed how SAP Embedded AI is helping in sales, marketing, manufacturing, quality, and other fields of industry to boost business, to help people and companies grow their business in a sustainable way. So that's it for today's video. For any question, you can just write in comments tab. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.